What's up, guys？ 我是麦克老师。
What's up, guys? It's Cam here.
今天我们要拍
美国的快问快答。
Kevin, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm excited. 如果我可以去美国，我想知道美国人是不是都很开放？比如说陌生人是不是可以直接拥抱啊、亲吻啊之类的？
陌生人啊，
陌生人
不行。
我觉得
这个好像是法国的那个，
对法国的传统，就陌生人之间在美国的话，也不是说第一次见面就 like
对。如果你是好朋友的话，也不可以，就是亲吻什么的。
对，
抱抱型的，
抱抱
这样就可以了。
抱抱没有问题。亲吻的话，即使是法国人，他也只亲那个 cheek。
对，
他也不是说亲嘴或怎么样。
左边还有右边。
对，左边还有右边这样。
I don't see Americans do it too much unless they're with their French friends or maybe British friends. I've seen British people do that.
Right. 下一个问题是，美国是否有外卖？
是有的，但是没有中国方便。
跟中国比的差多了，因为中国的话真的什么都可以叫。对，我发现现在连什么水也可以叫外卖，比如说买面膜也可以叫外卖。
对啊，什么都可以。And it's fast.
在美国最流行的外卖好像是 pizza， 对吧
？Pizza, yeah.
对
You can get almost anything, but have to pay someone to drive it to your house.
Right.
With a car usually.
Okay.
Can't do it on a scooter, and they also expect a tip, which we're going to talk about in another video.
Right.
You have to tip.
就在中国的话，很多外卖小哥其实很辛苦。
对。
比如说我家他们要爬到5楼。
对。
但是我们没有给他 tips。我觉得稍微有一点。
如果你是在美国的话，他会非常生气的，
把你门砸了。
Very rude.
下一个是如何找到一个美国的男朋友或者女朋友？
Americans are generally pretty independent, so I think they find confidence very attractive.
Right. That's correct.
Even though we have a lot of kind of overweight people, there's still a lot of people who are very into fitness. You have to make yourself desirable.
还有你的那个 humor.
Yeah.
Being funny.
Humor is very important, especially I think to girls. American girls really love
对
somebody who can make them laugh. So even if you 没长得特别帅，
对
没关系。
但在中国的话，长得帅的话更重要一点，我觉得。
有可能吧。
长得帅更重要一点。
有可能。
因为中国的男生一般不会聊自己的一些成就。
Yeah.
比如说我做了很多了不起的事情，中国男生可能会比较内敛一点，不想就是 brag about it.
Yeah.
Sorry. 就是外国女生可能会觉得中国男生 kind of shy.
Maybe.
所以的话就感觉不是很自信。
Yeah.
这个才是主要的原因，并不是因为他们是 Asian 或者说他们是 Chinese 而不喜欢他们。对，主要还是因为文化的差异，对吧？
美国女生她们是比较独立的，所以她们 they don't want to like be the housewife that stays at home all the time. And some guys may want that, and some girls may want to do that.
下一个问题是，很多人想问，美国物价真的很高吗？他说在一个电视剧里看到一个早餐要$20。
Really? That's a little expensive. I wouldn't pay $20 for breakfast.
所以这只是在 drama 里面。
A little bit. I mean, you can pay that much if you want, but you don't have to. If you want to save money on food in the US, you have to cook.
Right.
Because you can go out to the restaurant and eat, but it's not like China. Like I can't go and get 6 kwai noodles or 4 RMB 小笼包。Yeah. You can't get it. 所以美国就没有特别便宜的东西。Maybe if you're like in New York, you can get a hot dog or a piece of pizza on the street for like $3.
Even $3, it's like 20 kwai.
Yeah.
Already, right?
Yeah. That's the cheapest thing you can get.
下一个问题是美国人怎么看 Trump?
Trump is either you love him or you hate him.
应该有很多人真的很讨厌他吧？
但是也有很多人很爱他的。
哦，是吗？
所以 the division amongst Americans is getting bigger and bigger.
对。
Because the people who liked him now love him, and the people who didn't like him now hate him.
Right.
So I didn't vote for him. I like some of the stuff that he does. I don't like a lot of the things he does. As a person, I don't know. Nobody would agree that he's a good moral person. But you need to look at his ideas, his policies.
Right. 你知道在中国大部分人是喜欢开他玩笑，make fun of him.
Everybody makes fun of him.
My microphone is broken. Can you hear that? It's picking up somebody sniffing here. I think it's her sniffs.
而且我发现后来很多网友还蛮喜欢他的。
是吗？
对，因为 he's not being like political correct.
Yeah. He doesn't care what anybody thinks. He just says what he's thinking.
因为很多政治家他们就会比较 soft， 但是他真的就是很直接。
He doesn't care.
下一个问题是，美国人也会像中国人一样打乒乓球吗？
会的啊，但是我觉得没有中国那么流行吧。
OK。
我长大的时候，我跟弟弟一直都打乒乓球。
OK。
我爸爸给我买了一个。
所以你家有乒乓球桌 ？OK。
本来有的，现在没有了。
没了是吧？
但是我一直打得不好。Maybe if you go to like a hotel something that was at ping pong.
It's not really a thing in America.
Not really. All right, I think that's enough questions for one day.
Yeah, it's quite a lot.
It's all right. We got a bunch more videos coming up. 我是麦克老师，
我是 Kevin.
See you guys next time.
Peace.